Hi, I'm Kenny with Turf Masters. I'm out here now that it's spring and we need to do something with the lawn. And if you want to try to do it yourself, you need to get you a spreader. Hopefully one a little better than this one. You're gonna have to get you a product to put out, a good fertilizer, and it needs to be a balanced product that's gonna be properly fed. You're gonna need to follow the label and do the right directions for it, meaning the spreader has to be calibrated properly to where you put out the right amount in the right given area. You're also gonna need to put a pre-emergent out, which could be spread also. And then you need to spray weeds on top of that. There's gonna be broadleaf weeds, you're gonna need one product. Grassy weeds will need another product. So you're gonna make 2 different sprays out there in addition to your spreading. And then you can get the lawn and the start for the season. If you have any more questions or concerns, you can please call Turf Masters or go to our website at turfmasterslawncare.com.